In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your mass airflow sensor on your Honda Accord. Remove the connector off the mass airflow sensor, push on the tab, pull back. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the two screws holding the sensor in. Pull the sensor out, install the new one, reinstall the two screws, make them nice and snug. Push the connector back on, push until you hear a click. Push it back, make sure it's locked on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.